Everyone, my name is Sia. In this video, today I am going to demonstrate a smart lighting system that I designed and built using an Arduino Uno, a photoresistor, a PIR motion sensor, and a relay module. Firstly, I will explain the purpose of each component, then describe how the circuit works, and finally show how the Arduino code controls the entire system automatically. The main idea behind this project is used to create an energy efficient automatic lighting system. Firstly, the light turns on only when the two conditions are met. First, it must be dark. Second, motion must be detected. This approach helps to save electricity because the light will not turn on during the daytime or when there is no one in the room. Now, let me explain the main component used in this project. The Arduino Uno acts as a brain of the system. It receives input signals from the sensor and processes the data and then send the command to the control the relay. Then the photoresistor, also known as an LDR, it is used to detect the surrounding light level. When the environment is bright, the LDR resistance is low, and when it is dark, the resistance increases. This allows the Arduino to determine whether it is day or night. The PIR motion sensor is responsible for detecting the human movement. When a person enters the sensor range, it sends a signal to Arduino indicating that the motion has been detected. The relay module works like an electronic switch. Since the Arduino cannot directly control high voltage devices like a bulb, the relay safely switches the lamp on or off based on the Arduino signal. Finally, the bulb is the output device. It turns on when the relay is activated and turns off when the relay is deactivated. In terms of working, the Arduino continuously monitoring the light level using the LDR and checked for the motion using the PIR sensor. If the Arduino detects that it is dark and the movement is present, it activates the relay which turns the bulb on. If either there is enough light or no motion is detected, the relay remain off and the bulb stay turned off. Now we can test it. We can see that the system in action right now. It is in action. Firstly, we stimulate it. Now we can move it to the daytime. We see that it is bright, so nothing happens when I move the PIR sensor. But when I cover the LDR with the stimulate it to into night time, then it move into front of the PI sensor. The relay activates automatically and the light turns on. This shows that the both condition must be true for the lamp to turn on. Now I will explain you about my code. In this, the LDR is connected to the analog pin A0, which is basically used to measure the light intensity in the environment, and the PIR pin sensor is connected to the digital pin 2, which detects the human movement, and the relay module is connected to the digital pin 8, which is used to turn the bulb on and off. Here we use the light threshold is equal to 500. This value defines the light level below the system. Consider the environment to be dark and the hold time is equal to 30,000 milliseconds. After the motion is detected, the light will remain on for only 30 seconds. Last motion time. This variable stores the time when the motion was detected. Now we use the void setup. Here we start with serial begin, which initialize the serial communicate to display the sensor value on the serial monitor, and the PIR pin is set as an input because it sends the data to the Arduino, and the relay pin is set as output because the Arduino controls the relay. Digital write replay pin or low ensures the light is off when the system starts. Here we use the loop function. The Arduino reads the light intensity from the LDR from the value range from 0 to 1023, and the Arduino reads the motion status from the PIR sensor from high or low. Here now we will talk about the serial print LDR and this LDR value, PIR and PIR values. These lines display the real-time LDR and PIR value on the serial monitor, which helps in monitoring and debugging. ये जो सारी चीज़ें होती हैं वो मॉनिटरिंग में हेल्प करती हैं और डीबगिंग में हेल्प करती हैं. अब जो नीचे है वो कंडीशन है डार्कनेस एंड मोशंस की. इफ द एनवायरनमेंट इज डार्क द मोशन इज डिटेक्टेड एंड milliseconds records the current time and the relay is activated टर्निंग द बल्ब ऑन. मतलब वो बल्ब को ऑन कर देगा जब रिले एक्टिवेटेड हो जाएगी. आफ्टर द मोशन इज डिटेक्टेड the light remain on for 30 seconds. If the time exceeds the whole time or the environment become bright, the light turn off automatically. Overall, the light turns on only when the room is dark and the motion is detected, and it stay on for 30 seconds after the last motion, which help to save the energy. Thank you. Have a nice day.